Hi, welcome to Cat's Crafty Corner. I am going to do a Spellbinders 10 cards, one kit, short video today. Just showing you here the contents of the kit. There's a lot of videos out there that do the unboxing of the kit. I'm just doing the reboxing, so this is what's left over after I've done everything for my cards. And I don't spend any time going over this because there is lots of videos out there that do show the contents of the card kit. So this was my very first one that I received. So I was pretty excited to get this one and to try and create some cards using just the stuff that was in the kit. So what I did for this video was I actually made all of the cards, and I'm just going to show you the final results of those. So the first one, and the first two were probably the ones that I was most unhappy with. They didn't really turn out the best, but this is one of the first ones here that I did. So it has the green paper in the background. I've edged up the sides of it with some green ink, and it's got a couple of the chipboard pieces in there, and the glitter word "so" as well I put on there. This is the second one. I was trying to make this look like a sign on a wall. Used 3 of the paper and pieces that are in the kit, and those embellishments are actually just ones that I had before that I used. The edges are inked up and it's layered on some craft cardstock and craft card base as well. This one has 2 pieces of the paper from the paper pack. One I embossed with some dots. Stamped "Adventure is at your fingertips." I used one of the chipboard pieces for the middle, and the embellishments are just ones from a stash that I had as well, and the edges are inked up with some turquoise ink. Next one that I did is, I love this paper, the striped purple paper. That's again a piece of part of the paper pack that they gave, and part of the paper pieces. One of the sayings from the paper piece, and some purple gems as well, embellishments that I had, and I inked up the edges with purple ink. Continuing on, the next one, I really like this color combo. The purple and the mint green ribbon. The centerpiece is just another die cut that they had. I layered that on some gold cardstock, and that's actually some really thick foam tape that's in there as well. It does still fit in the envelope, which is good. This is the small die that comes with the kit, and one of the popped up butterflies in the center. Edges are inked again. That's part of the paper pack as well. And the gold hello, that was the foam words that they sent as well. If I had my time to do over, I probably would have cut the hello out of just some plain gold cardstock instead, but it does match the center of the butterfly. This one is a little scene it's created. Paper piece in the back, the 3 colors, that's from the paper pack. Solid piece of purple on the bottom I put on there just to kind of make a delineation from the wall and the floor, and then sort of hung up the die cuts that were in the paper pack to make it look like there were wall hangings on the wall as well. This one has some 2 pieces, the gold, glitter gold, reflective gold cardstock on the bottom is from my stash. The striped gold cardstock is from their paper pack, as well as the flowers and the leaves and the sayings came from the die cut pack as well. And then my ribbon, white with the gold on it, came from my stash. This one has my ribbon on it as well. The pink paper is from the paper pack, layered on top of the gold, and then a piece of the pink that came with the pack as well, solid. And then the centerpiece is popped up. I thought that turned out very pretty. I love that color combo. Actually, the pink and the gold looks really nice together. All of these cards are all blank inside as well. And then the third one, or third one, the last one, the 10th one, is just the 3 butterflies that are popped up, and the background, the purple part piece came with the pack, as well as the circles that are cut from the paper pack. And that completes those 10 cards with their kit. I'm going to show you just a short little scan of them once again, just at the end here. Again, that first one with the green, not really loving that too much. The rest of them I found they didn't turn out too bad. This one here, again with the brick wall, meh, not one of my favorites. But the rest of them didn't turn out that bad, actually. So thank you very much for joining again today, and everybody have a great day. Happy crafting!